What's going on, fellas? So, I'm pretty sure you've seen commercials for this on Amazon. You scroll through, you've seen ads for Amazon, seen commercials on YouTube and stuff like that. So I saw it and I decided to pull the trigger on one of these. Mainly because I have a Ridge wallet. And as cool as my Ridge wallet is, it's one glaring issue with it that I don't like, that I've noticed over the 2 years of having it, and that's my cards tend to rub together and become damaged. I'm constantly taking them out. This seems to offer a solution to that, but we're gonna find out if that's the truth or not. We're gonna see. So I got the aluminum joint. You see the presentation is pretty nice. Here at Extern, our mission is simple. We're in the business of making people's lives easier. We aim to improve the way you carry your belongings so you can focus on what really matters. To get started, head to extern.com/user manual. All right, so we'll do that. Like I said, it's not much fanfare when it comes to this right here, but this is supposed to be the pied de resistance right there. One more time. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that red aluminum, anodized aluminum right there. Yeah, man. All right, fellas, here's my Ridge wallet. I've had it for about 2 years now. As you can see, it's pretty worn up, pretty beat up. But the only thing I don't like about it is when you try to take your cards out, you gotta do that. They rub against one another. That's why we're going to give the Extra wallet a try with this feature. Should make it a little bit easier to take out. Become an affiliate. And also, see how many cards this is. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in here. I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One of them's a library card, so it doesn't necessarily have to be in here. But yeah, we'll see if this does better about cards rubbing across each other and getting beat up. So yeah, man. No longer having to do that to take them out, and then have them all bunch out or pop out all at the same time, then trying to put them back in. So yeah, we'll see. I think that'll be a better situation to be in. So we're gonna give the Extra wallet a try. We'll come back in about a couple months and give an update on how it's going. We might even get the wallet tracker and add that and see how that works out as well, just to see. And I'm thinking about grabbing a leather one, just so I can do the unboxing on it. So you guys let me know what you think. Until next time. Peace. Oh, real quick, check these cards out just to see what they got on here. So we got enter our giveaways, social media. We got your feedback, user manual. Give $15, earn $15. Our story. You can pause the video and read that and become an affiliate.